So it's an inequality. Why? Because less than. Okay, so less than means less than 105. Okay, so it's an inequality, so you need to do it inequality. But before the inequality, they say you have 13 pieces, so basically you have $10 note, you also have $5 note, and the number of them is add up to 13. Okay?
Yeah.
Add up to 13. So if you assign number of 10 is you, so the number of $5 note will be 13.
Will be 13.
Yep. Will be 13. So if the number of 10 is you, so the $5 note will be
$5 note will be 13 minus you.
correct. So therefore, how do you find out the total amount for $10 note?
10 times u
Correct.
equals to 10 u.
So basically 10U is the amount of $10, right? Then how do you find out the $5 amount?
5 times 5 times bracket 13
Yep, very good.
minus u.
Yep. And these two amount add up to, they say the total value is
below
105. Yep, so you just form this inequality. Okay, to solve inequality, just solve it like an equation, but there is only one major difference. What is that major difference? What's the major difference?
What do you mean by major difference?
Like, you solve inequality versus you solve equation. You solve it almost the same.
Yeah.
But what is that major difference?
The equal sign. Like the sign.
Of course, the sign is different. What else? So let's say this is an equal sign. So this will be u equals to 8, right? Then for this one, it will be u equals to smaller than 8, right?
Yeah.
So seems like there's no difference. It's just the sign is different.
Yeah.
But remember, when we talk about inequality, for equation, you never change the equal sign at all. The equal sign is always
But
equal
for
sign.
that one, you must change when it divides or times by negative number.
Correct, on both sides. So therefore, the major difference between inequality versus equation is for inequality equation, the major difference is solving inequality switch sign when times or divide by negative numbers on both sides. So this is the only difference. Other than that, it's the same. So for example, just now, did we times or divide by negative number here? No, because over here we divide by 5, right? So therefore divide by 5, right? So no need to change the sign. For equation, there's no way you can change the sign. Equal sign is equal sign.
Yeah.
Right? So that's the major difference when it comes to solving. Okay? Then now, then what is the maximum number of $10 note you can have? So your U is more than 8, right?
Yeah.
Can you see? So basically your U is more than 8. Then what is the maximum number of $10 note? So what is the maximum number of U?
Maximum number of u. Should be 7.
7, yes. So U equals to 7 no? To answer this question. Understand? Now, X is an even number. Okay, so we need to do B separately because they are not related. Can you see they are not related?
Yeah.
So X is an even number. The sum of two consecutive even number is less than 60. Okay, good. So very easy. So X is an even number. So X is X. And the sum of the next two consecutive even number. So the sum of the next two. So what's the next one first? So So this is the next one. What's the next one for even number? So what's the next even number? If okay, so what I'm trying to tell you is x is an even number. So the next even number is what from x?
Is 2 times more than x.
2 times?
No, two numbers more than x.
Not two numbers more than x. It's x plus 2.
It's x plus 2.
Why? Just show yourself. Let's say it's 4. What's the next number? What is the next even number?
6.
Why 6?
Because plus 2.
Correct. So if I give you 6, what's the next
8.
even number? Yes. So in a way, right, the next even number is plus 2. So now x is the even number. The next even number compared to x is x plus 2. So this is the first next even number. But they say the next 2 consecutive even number. So I already have the first next even. So the second next even is?
X plus 4.
Yeah. Okay. So it seems like this inequality question is not only about mathematics. It's also about English comprehension. So once you have this, they say these two the sum of these two is less than 60, right? The sum of these two is less than 60, right? So the sum of which two?
X plus 2 plus x plus
Correct.
4.
So it's x plus 2 plus x plus 4 should be less than 60, right?
Yeah.
So just solve it like equation. Unless there is a times or divide by negative sign, right? So it's 2x. This is plus 6. Then you bring the plus 6 over, minus 6, right? So it's 2x 54. Then you divide by 2, right? On both sides. So I'm going to do it here. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. So x is smaller than 27. Now you can answer the question. Form an inequality in terms of x. Done. This is basically this is your part 1 answer.
Yeah.
Then they find the largest possible odd number. They want odd number. You see the funny thing, the odd number. So never mind. I want to find the largest even number first.
Largest even number
Yeah.
is largest even number.
Can it be 27? Because x is even ma. So what's the largest x you can get? X is more than 27.
Yeah.
Then you ask yourself whether you can take 27 or not.
Can.
X is
cannot take
cannot.
27 because it's an odd
Yeah.
number.
No. Never mind. I want even number first.
26.
26. Because 27 you cannot take, right?
No, 28 because 28 is bigger.
You hold on first. You answer my question. What is the biggest even number here?
26.
Why 26?
Because it's smaller than because it's like smaller than 27.
Correct.
And it's an even number.
Correct. So x is even. So x is 26. Okay. So the largest x is 26. Now you ask yourself. 26 is here, right? The largest possible odd number value of x, right? So for the odd number, it can go left, it can go right. So if you go to the left, the odd will be 25, right?
Yeah.
If you go to the right, that will be 27, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So find the largest possible odd number value of x. So you take which one?
Largest possible odd number should be 27.
Yep. Okay, should be 27. But this question is a bit funny. I will say maybe the question should be largest possible even number, because x is even, you know. Okay. Okay. So that let's change the question to largest possible even number. So the even number will be 26. Okay. The odd will be 27 because you can go left or you can go right. So you go right, then you get the largest. Okay? Okay, good. That's how you decide.